That shit. Damn, sound like a fucking rag doll and shit. You hit me, I'm gonna beat your ass. I'm
gonna hit you, but I'm gonna.
Oh, just stop doing that shit. It's like you John. God damn.
No.
Ass smack. Oh shit, a fight? Y'all fighting or something? And this your ooh. Ooh, look at her. She getting her ass whooped. Caleb, say what's up to the camera.
What's up?
Now say do this. Do this. And nigga say, ah, hell no. Stop doing that shit. Yeah, God damn, my damn ear hurt. Fuck you doing that for? Fully? Hell, that shit get it. Ugh. It's like she deep throw something in the damn room or something. Oh, look at the little twins having that.
What's your sister?
What y'all talking about?
She fell.
Do it again on the camera. What the fuck? This shit sound like a damn zombie coming to you. Hell no, she don't need to sing either.
I feel my heart is gonna come out.
Oh yeah, shout out to everybody